There are things about the universe that feel off, facts that exist in scientific papers, data that researchers quietly publish, discoveries that are real, proven, and documented. Yet the moment you hear them, something feels wrong. Almost like these facts weren't meant for human minds to understand. Tonight, we're exploring 20 facts humans probably weren't meant to know, and the deeper we go, the more reality begins to feel like a puzzle missing pieces. Let's begin. 1. Your brain edits reality. Your brain does not show you the real world. Instead, it filters, deletes, and edits most information around you. Scientists estimate your senses receive millions of bits of data every second, but your conscious mind sees only a tiny fraction. Everything else is quietly removed, which means the reality you experience is a simplified illusion created by your brain. 2. You see the past, not the present. Light takes time to travel. Even the light from the person sitting across from you arrives nanoseconds late. That means you never see the present moment. You are always looking slightly into the past. Every single second of your life is delayed. 3. Empty space isn't empty. Atoms are mostly nothing. If the nucleus of an atom were the size of a marble, the electrons would orbit hundreds of meters away. Everything you touch is mostly empty space, held together by invisible forces. Solid objects are not truly solid. 4. The universe might not be real. Some physicists take the simulation hypothesis seriously. The idea suggests reality could be a computational structure, similar to a simulation. Even more unsettling, certain properties of physics behave strangely, similar to information systems. There is currently no proven way to rule it out. 5. Time can stop. Near a black hole, time behaves differently. According to Einstein's relativity, the stronger gravity becomes, the slower time flows. 6. Your body replaces itself. Almost every cell in your body eventually dies and is replaced. Over years, most of your physical matter becomes completely different, yet somehow you remain the same person, which raises an uncomfortable question. If every part of you changes, what exactly stays the same? 7. You forget most of your life. Psychologists estimate humans forget over 90% of experiences. Most conversations, days, and moments disappear forever. Your life is mostly memories that no longer exist. 8. The universe is mostly invisible. Everything humans can see, stars, planets, galaxies, makes up only about 5% of the universe. The rest is dark matter and dark energy, substances we cannot directly observe. We live inside a universe where 95% of reality is unknown. 9. The brain hallucinates stability. Your eyes constantly jump in tiny movements called saccades. During these movements, your brain actually turns off visual processing. If it didn't, the world would appear blurry and chaotic. Instead, your brain fills the gaps, meaning your stable vision is partially a hallucination. 10. Consciousness has no clear source. Scientists can map brain activity. They can measure neurons firing, but no one has found the exact location where consciousness itself exists. It doesn't appear to come from one place. It emerges from the system as a whole, which means we still don't know why awareness exists at all. 11. The universe is expanding faster. The universe is not only expanding, it's expanding faster over time. Something called dark energy is pushing galaxies apart at increasing speed. Eventually, distant galaxies will move so far away that their light will never reach Earth again. Future civilizations might look into space and see almost nothing. 12. Quantum particles break logic. In quantum physics, particles can exist in multiple states at once. This is called superposition. A particle can be in two places simultaneously until measured. Reality literally behaves differently when observed. 13. Humans can detect being watched. Several studies suggest people sometimes sense when someone is staring at them. The evidence is debated, but the phenomenon appears often enough that researchers still investigate it, which raises a strange possibility. Humans might possess subtle awareness we don't fully understand. 14. The brain predicts the future. Neuroscience suggests your brain constantly predicts what will happen next. Your perception is partially based on these predictions. If predictions are wrong, your brain updates them, meaning what you experience is partly a guess about reality. 15. Space is not silent. In space, there is no air, so sound cannot travel normally. But planets, stars, and black holes still create vibrations in plasma and magnetic fields. Scientists convert these signals into audio. The result is something deeply unsettling. Space sounds alive. 16. There may be infinite universes. Some cosmological theories suggest our universe may be just one of many. In a multiverse, every possible outcome might exist somewhere. Another universe could contain a version of you who made different choices, or never existed at all. 17. Your mind rewrites memories. Every time you recall a memory, your brain slightly changes it. Over time, memories become reconstructions rather than recordings, which means some memories you trust completely may never have happened exactly that way. 18. The universe had a beginning. The Big Bang marks the beginning of time and space. but what existed before it is unknown. Some theories suggest nothing, others suggest previous universes. The truth is, we don't know what caused reality itself. 19. Humans are made of ancient stars. Every atom of carbon, oxygen, and iron inside your body was forged inside exploding stars billions of years ago. You are literally made from cosmic debris. The universe created stars. Stars created elements. Those elements eventually became you. 20. Reality keeps working even when models fail. Physics has incredibly accurate equations, but sometimes they predict impossible results. Instead of collapsing, reality simply continues functioning anyway. Scientists still don't fully understand why the universe follows certain rules, only that it does. For now, the deeper science looks into reality, the stranger things become. The universe is not as stable as it appears. Time bends. Matter is mostly empty. Consciousness has no clear origin, and most of reality is completely invisible. Which leaves one final thought. Maybe these facts aren't forbidden. Maybe they're simply too big for human intuition to fully grasp. And maybe, we've only uncovered the smallest fraction of what's actually going on. If you enjoyed this journey into the unknown, subscribe for more explorations into reality, science, and the mysteries hiding in plain sight. Because sometimes, the most unsettling truths are the ones that are completely real.